Brian.
Thank you. Our candidates from the Brian Mr. Sports Fest 2012. This time, let's have the students from the preschool level.
Ala, sumasayo mga gangnam. Mga mag-gangnam sa gitna. Pag pagdating nyo ito, nakalimutan. Player sa ako. Doon pa ako na.
My name is Jake Matthew Sanchez. When I grow up, I want to become soccer player.
Wala talaga pag hindi na sobrang kabisado.
Ang gulo-gulo naman kasi ni Peter dyan, nakakainis.
True? Where's true?
Ano sa sabi sa classmate niya na yun?
Okay. Again, let's have all the contestants.
Career days.
Okay, go to the stage for your last presentation. Okay, all the Miss and Mr. Sports Fest candidates, go to the stage. Dito lang. Okay. Mr. Sports Fest.
Ay, dyan, come here. Dyan, come here.